Starting LMI 620, we let users schedule their advanced search queries to run at a particular time and email the result set to an email address. In this video, we will see a quick overview and a demo of this feature. First, go to the advanced search page. Here, run a query that you like. For example, I'm going to look for Microsoft Windows data over the last hour. Let's apply a filter of a single IP address instead of getting data from all sources that are Windows type. Now I have data from a specific source over the last hour. Let's further filter down to see if we can find a set of messages that contain a particular string. A targeted search criteria like this helps keeping unnecessary results from the result set, which makes the reports concise and clear for analytics. Now we have data that contains a particular IP address and a specific string over a time frame. So let's schedule this as a scheduled search query. Now hit the Schedule button to schedule this query to run periodically. Provide a name and description to this query. Hit the Validate button to ensure the query is correct, and then hit Save. Now go to Show Scheduled Queries page. Hit Edit to change the properties of the schedule. In this case, we will be adding a schedule to the saved query. Hit the plus sign and give the schedule a name. Now select how often should the report run, what should be the time interval between each run, and what time period do you want the query to run against. We let users save multiple copies of the reports. For now, let's choose one copy to be saved. Now choose Email Recipients. Provide a valid email address, first and last names of the user who owns the email address. Then hit the click icon to save the details. Now save the schedule. Clicking the View Executions button on the saved query shows a list of previous executions. Since we just created this schedule, there are no previous executions. Now, as per the provided schedule, the query is going to run in the background and email the results to the user. For LMI to be able to email these scheduled queries, an SMTP server is needed to be configured. This can be done from System Settings page. First, provide the details about the SMTP server under Remote Server section, and then under General, make sure to put in a valid outgoing email address. This marks the end of this tutorial. Please visit the following pages to learn more about LogLogic.